Okay, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're looking at 2 plus infinitive and gerund. We are studying 2 plus infinitive and gerund. Now remember, we studied modal verbs in the previous lesson, in a last lesson. And we learnt modal verb plus infinitive. No to. Will go, will have, will play, will study, will smoke, will drink, will eat. Same with should. Shouldn't smoke, shouldn't drink, shouldn't have, shouldn't go, shouldn't play. Mustn't use your mobile phone. Mustn't drive on the right. Mustn't park in this place. Yeah, so mustn't infinitive. Might an infinitive. I might come with you to the party. I might come. And can't. Yeah, I can't play the piano. Yeah, you can use a dictionary in the exam. You can, or you mustn't use a dictionary in the exam. So remember, modal verb plus infinitive. Okay. Most other verbs, after other verbs, yeah, after will and should and must, there is always a verb. Always. After modal verb, you always have infinitive. Always. But after would like and want, maybe you have a noun. I would like a cup of tea. Yeah? Maybe you say, I would like a cup of tea. I want sausages and eggs. Yeah, so you can use a noun after would like or want, but sometimes you would like to ask a question. Sometimes it's a verb, and if it's a verb after would like, it's always to and infinitive. I would like to ask a question. I would like to go to the beach. Yeah, I would like to go to the beach today because it's hot, it's sunny. I would like to swim in the sea today. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day. I want to go to the beach. I want to swim in the sea. And remember, it's he wants, but I want. It's he will, I will. Modal verb, there's no S in he and she. It's just I will, he will, she will, I must, he must, she must. But I want, he wants. Yeah? I would like, he would like. They're the same as well. I would like, he would like. Would is modal. So I would like to ask a question. I would like to go to the beach. I want to swim in the sea. I decided to go to the beach. Yeah, I decided to go to the beach. We decided to have a party. We decided to have a party. Okay, I am married. I got married 14 years ago or 15 years ago. I can't remember. I can't remember. But I got married in Moscow and I promised my wife, I promised to love her forever. Yeah, forever. It means always. I promised to love her always. I promised to love her forever. I promised to love her. And maybe you promised your boss not to be late. Yeah, not to be late. Yeah, we decided not to have a party. They promised not to be late. Yeah, and I promised to love my wife forever, of course. Okay, you agreed to help us. Yeah, you agreed to help us. Maybe you agreed to do your homework. Yeah, you said, Dave, I agree, I will do my homework. You agreed to do your homework. Okay, I agreed to answer your questions. So if you have a question, ask on the Q&A. I will answer your question. I promise to answer your questions. I agree to answer your questions. Okay, I hope to answer your questions. I hope to see you in my next class. I hope to hear you speak English one day. I hope to hear you speak English one day. Okay, and offer. When you offer somebody something, you help them. You help them. So he offered to take me to work. Yeah, that's nice. That's kind. He's very generous. Do you remember? Generous. A generous person helps people. He buys people presents and he helps people. So he offered to take me to work. He's very generous. He offered to buy me a drink. He's very generous. Yeah, he offered to buy me a drink. He offered to take me to work. So this is number 1, 2 plus infinitive. After would like, want, decide, promise, agree, hope, offer, to do, to go, to play, to have, to want, to scream, to shout, to smoke, to drink. Okay, gerund after these verbs. And gerund means playing, going, having, doing, wanting, deciding, promising, agreeing, seeing, hoping, offering, yeah, going, smoking, drinking, driving, coming, playing. These are gerunds, yeah, ing. So we use gerunds after these verbs. I enjoy relaxing on the beach. Yeah, it's true. I enjoy, I like, yeah, I like relaxing on the beach. I enjoy relaxing on the beach. Now, like, yeah, like, hate, like, love, prefer, continue, start, begin. We can use gerund or we can use 2 plus infinitive. Both are okay. You can say I like to play football, like plus 2 plus infinitive, or I like playing football. I like to play football. I like playing football. I love to play football. I love playing football. I hate to play football. I hate playing football. I prefer relaxing on the beach. I prefer to relax on the beach. I continued relaxing on the beach. I continued to relax on the beach.